Ready to trade your humdrum reality for the open roads of Europe, hauling cargo and building your trucking empire? Let's dive straight into how to get Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC. First things first, ensure your PC can handle the journey. Check the minimum and recommended system requirements on the Steam page. We're looking at things like processor speed, RAM, graphics card, and operating system. Meeting these specs guarantees a smooth trucking experience. Next, head over to Steam, the most common digital distribution platform for Euro Truck Simulator 2. If you don't already have it, download and install the Steam client. Once you're in Steam, search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 in the store. Found it? Awesome! Add the game to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll need to create a Steam account or log into your existing one. Then, choose your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. Once the purchase is complete, Steam will automatically begin downloading the game files. The download time will depend on your internet speed, so grab a coffee and be patient. You can monitor the progress in your Steam library under the download section. When the download finishes, the install button will change to play. Click play to launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. The first time you launch the game, it might install some additional directs or Visual C redistributables. You'll then be guided through creating your driver profile. Choose your truck brand, company logo, and driver name. This is the start of your European trucking adventure. And that's it. You're now ready to hit the road, take on jobs, and build your trucking empire in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now get out there and make some deliveries. Happy trucking!